Ajay Dubey, I'm told, is joining us live on the broadcast for more. Ajay, this is a big update we have right now. BJP has dropped Bhushan Sharan Singh from Kaisarganj. His son, his younger son, has been fielded from Kaisarganj. Also, Raebareli candidate has been announced.
Definitely, the candidate of Raebareli, he's the same candidate who was there as a face of BJP in year 2019. He's still the minister of Yogi's government, and as we can see in Kaisarganj also, the son of Braj Bhushan Sharan Singh. It was very much sure that the ticket of Braj Bhushan Sharan Singh will be cancelled, and now his son got the ticket. And the fight between in Raebareli, the fight is becoming very interesting now, as Congress have not yet announced their candidate. And in Raebareli, BJP now repeated its ticket to Dinesh Pratap Singh, who is still minister in government, in Uttar Pradesh government, in Yogi's government. So in Kaisarganj, now we have to see, as this ticket is given now to son of Braj Bhushan Sharan Singh, how will be things, how things will react. Braj Bhushan Sharan Singh, as in morning we have seen the visuals where son of Braj Bhushan Sharan Singh is touching feet of Braj Bhushan Sharan Singh. Now the fight between the both the parties in BJP, between BJP and the India Alliance, is going to be interesting. Yet in Kaisarganj and in Raebareli also, the candidate of alliance is still not announced. In Kaisarganj, there is no candidate announced by Samajwadi Party, and in Raebareli still there is no candidate announced by Congress.
Well, Karan Bhushan Singh, we talk about, he has been the president of Uttar Pradesh Wrestling Association. Also, he was the senior vice president of the UP, Wrestling Association, and it was, coming in as far as the reports were there. They're doing the rounds that he might contest. Now, does this really impact? Because Braj Bhushan Sharan Singh is a 6-time MP. He has a very strong command on Kaisarganj and the adjacent districts also. So, how does this really pan out for the BJP, given the controversy that his father was embroiled in the past 1 year?
See, if we'll go through the controversy scenario, we can see that because of this incident happened, because of these all things, the politics of Kaisarganj, not just in Kaisarganj, but in Gonda, but in Ayodhya, the closer seats related to Kaisarganj, the neighboring seats, parliament seats, impact of Braj Bhushan Sharan Singh is too much there. So that was the reason this ticket is announced so late in Uttar Pradesh. And as we can see the visuals in early morning, where the son of Braj Bhushan Sharan Singh is touching his feet. Now they have accepted this, as we can see in visuals, as we can see the political scenario and what information we are getting from the close allies of Braj Bhushan Sharan Singh, that he has accepted this order given by the party. Now his son is going to contest continuously. Okay, Braj Bhushan Sharan Singh is going in various part of Kaisarganj. We have seen visuals, we have seen his speeches where we have seen him singing. So now he's going to campaign for his son. Now he's going to support the candidation of his son, and still there is no candidate announced from Samajwadi Party in Kaisarganj, and same with the Raebareli. Congress have not yet announced their candidate from Raebareli.
Absolutely, of course, that's a big update coming in. It's a sort of a message also sent out by the BJP by not fielding Braj Bhushan Sharan Singh, who happens to be a very tall leader and a very strong leader in the state of Uttar Pradesh. But thank you so much, Ajay Dubey, for joining us with those updates. We'll